Welcome to this video on the role of forensic science in crime investigation. We will explore how scientific principles are applied to legal matters. Forensic science is crucial in criminal interrogations, helping to identify culprits and determine the circumstances of a misdeed. Its role is extensive, encompassing DNA analysis, fingerprint analysis, autopsies, pathology, and toxicology. Investigation begins at the crime scene, where professionals conduct detailed examinations. They meticulously collect tangible evidence, such as fingerprints, bloodstains, and firearms. This process is fundamental to reconstructing the crime. Collecting and preserving evidence requires adherence to strict methodologies. Forensic experts handle proof with diligence to avoid contamination. This ensures the integrity and competence of the evidence for judicial demonstration, supporting the criminal justice system's reliability. After collection, intensive laboratory analysis takes place. Specialists use progressive instruments and techniques in fields like DNA analysis, toxicology, ballistics, and digital forensics. DNA profiling, for instance, connects suspects or victims to crime locations. Fingerprint analysis is a radical pillar of forensic science. Distinctive configurations on the skin ridges provide unique identifiers. Professionals correlate latent prints from crime locations with known prints in databases, establishing links to suspects. In modern criminal investigations, digital traces are highly important. Forensic specialists use innovative techniques to extract, examine, and analyze electronic evidence left by offenders. The use of technology is now an obligatory tool for solving contemporary crimes. Decoding firearm evidence involves the detailed examination of ballistics proof. This method helps to uncover criminal events involving firearms. Ballistics assessment investigates bullets, cartridge casings, and the unique patterns they leave behind. Forensic anthropology focuses on recognizing human remains, especially in cases where decomposition has occurred. Specialists examine skeletal residue to establish age, sex, appearance, and possible cause of death, helping to identify victims and reconstruct their demise. Forensic experts reconstruct the sequence of events leading up to a crime using evidence, investigation, and scientific guidelines. This protocol helps law enforcement understand crime mechanisms and roles of individuals, developing a logical narrative for the legal forum. Expert witnesses are essential in the judicial system. These individuals simplify complex scientific findings and proof for magistrates and committees. Their testimony facilitates equitable and well-informed opinions, bridging the gap between forensic investigations and legal understanding. Forensic science has revived hope in long-standing cold cases. New developments in processes and methodologies within the field bring a fresh perspective to investigations. This provides an opportunity to solve enigmas that have confounded jurisdiction for years. In conclusion, forensic science is an imperative tool in the pursuit of justice. The assimilation of scientific principles helps resolve crimes, vindicate the innocent, and ensure accountability. Experts contribute to a standardized effort at crime solving. Forensic proof seamlessly integrates within the legal framework, directing investigations and providing judges with crucial information for criminal and civil conflicts. It is a highly developed scientific technology applied across various methodologies. Thank you for watching this video on the critical role of forensic science in crime investigation.